Let me take you on a journey to Napier, New Zealand, a city where every street corner tells a story. Nestled along the sparkling coastline of Hawke's Bay, Napier isn't just a destination, it's a living, breathing work of art. Picture this. You're strolling down Marine Parade, the salty breeze from the Pacific dancing on your face. Tall Norfolk pines shade the waterfront, and the sound of the waves is like the city's own heartbeat. You stop at the Pania of the Reef statue, a tribute to Maori legend, and for a moment it feels like myths and reality blend right in front of you. But Napier's real magic, it's in its architecture. After the devastating 1931 earthquake, the city was reborn in Art Deco style. Think pastel colours, geometric shapes, and that timeless elegance you just don't see anymore. My favourite is the Daily Telegraph building. Its zigzag patterns make you feel like you've stepped back into the Jazz Age. And if you're a foodie or wine lover, Hawke's Bay has you covered. Imagine finishing your day with a glass of local Sauvignon Blanc watching the sun set over the vineyards. Honestly, there's nothing else like it. Napier isn't just a place to tick off your travel list. It's somewhere to slow down, soak in the culture, and let the stories of the past shape your adventure today. So if you're dreaming about your next escape, make it Napier. Trust me, you'll never see New Zealand the same way again.